Hi guys, and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 4, which means that if you're born on the 4th, the 13th, 22nd, or 31st of any month, this is the reading for you. For the month of March 2021. Don't forget to come back and check, your career and finance readings by Zodiac, which I'm going to upload later. From the Moonology Oracle deck, the first card that I have for you is Mutable Moon. Nothing is yet set in stone. So what the universe is trying to tell you is that if you have been manifesting, if you have been thinking about it, it is not happening. If somebody has told you, even a tarot reader or an astrologer has told you, this is going to happen, well, it is going to happen, but you can always change the way you feel about it, which is kind of adapting, changing your behavior in terms of how you look at things, changing your perspective to life. So nothing is set in stone. You can always change the outcome. What you change is the way you think about the outcome, and that is very important for you guys this month. See, the next card I have for you from the Whispers of Lord Ganesha is number 42, Achievement. So you guys are going to achieve something. The only difference is the way you think, the way you perceive what you have imagined. So your perception is going to play a major role in the month of March for you to understand what is happening in your life, and the way you can move ahead in life. Let's see from tarot what would be the theme for the month of March for birth number 4 people. The first card I have for you is Six of Cups. For a lot of you, I think somebody from your past is going to make a comeback. Somebody is going to come back. Somebody is going to kind of give you an opportunity to reconcile with them, to reconnect with them. And even at the bottom of the deck, you have the Ten of Swords. So the Ten of Swords tell me, something in the past that may have happened has left you feeling dejected, depressed. You have lost, that will, that energy to fight. And, you're already thinking about, the outcome of the situation without trying from your end to change it. So that is the idea here. You can achieve what you set your heart to. Achievement is right there. Achievement is going to happen. All you have to think about and know is that nothing is set in stone. So if you change your mindset, you change the outcome of the situation. For everyone, if you're going through a period of being without a job, if you are going through a period of um, just being alone, you're not talking to your person, you feel lonely, you feel depressed, that is what you have to do. You have to change your mindset, and everything will work out pretty well for you guys. All right, let's see from tarot what is the month of March for you guys. The first card I have is the King of Wheels. It's telling you to make practical plans, to make realistic goals, to have realistic goals, to work on realistic goals, and not be like all over the place. I have the Three of Wheels. It talks about collaborating with people, going out of your way, reaching out to people, learning something new, expanding your horizons, so you are able to move in a different direction. For a lot of people, who are jobless, who are unemployed, um you need to learn something new. You kind of have to put yourself out there. So when I see Three of Wheels, Three of Wheels talks to me about long term collaboration. That means a lot of you have to attend networking events. And see, just as I was talking about networking event, Three of Cups have showed up, which tells about you are going to have a lot of opportunities to mingle around with people. You have to widen your social circle. You really have to get out of your comfort zone if you want something to happen. You're not alone. It's just that the energy that you are in is alone. Oh my god, this is amazing. See, achievement card at the bottom, and then I have the Sun card on top of it. The universe is there for your taking. You can demand anything from the universe and it is going to be offered to you, but you have to make the efforts. only when, if you start making the efforts, can you grow, can you move, you know, only then you can move forward. So make sure, you know, you are doing it. A lot of you are going to be enrolling in a new course. You would be learning something new. There's also a possibility some of you might be attending a wedding. Some of you might have to, you know, go to a different town, or you know, go for a holiday very soon, just to, you know, relax yourself, so you are able to, you know, uh, feel at the top of the world. And at the, you know, the last card that I have for you is the Seven of Wands. So Seven of Wands, you know, there's going to be opposition. People are going to always, you know, stand against you in terms of, you know, the type of plans you have, the wishes you have, the goals you have in life. And you know what, and you know, all these cards are trying to tell you is that you really have to work for your goal. I think you have a lot of plans, but now it's the time to, you know, think about all those plans, all those wishes that you thought, you know, that was sort of stupid. They are not really stupid. They are going somewhere. They have the capacity to take you somewhere. They are going to make you, you know, very successful in life. But the only thing you have to learn is that you have to hold your own ground. So if you have an idea, you have to believe in yourself. Seven of Wands is the card of believing in yourself, believing that, you know, you are the magic, you are the energy that you keep searching everywhere. You are, you know, that little symbol, or that, you know, signal that you keep asking from the universe, or you keep asking from God, or you know, your angels, whoever it is. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Ace of Cups, which is a really amazing card, because something is starting, something new is happening. From love side, for singles, I do see an opportunity for you to find somebody, you know, if you get out and network more. So you know, nothing is going to come towards you, but somebody from the past could be making an appearance again. They want to offer you something one more time. Maybe, you know, you were in a third party situation with this person. So if I have to see, you know, these cards for a relationship reading, I do feel like some of you could be in a third party situation, because you know, Three of Cups has shown up here, and I have the Three of Wheels here, and you know, you have the Sun card. Somebody's a little flamboyant, and then you know, even in the Oracle card you have, you know, two girls here. So yeah, so if it's a third party situation, I think you really need to become the King of Swords, cut off ties, and be adamant about your role, you know, your position with your partner, with your person, and you know, be strong about it. So if you show, you know, a little bit of your soft side, I don't think it's going to work out in your favor. But you have an option, you know, to start something new, to reconcile, to start something new with your person. So make sure, you know, you evaluate all your options, you consider them well before you take any action. And I will see you guys next month.